Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are discussing like fractions. So let's go. So we can divide our fractions into two types. One is known as a like fraction and another is known as an unlike fraction. So let's see, in the like fractions are those fractions which have same denominator. So if we have two or more fractions in which the denominator is same, then those kind of fractions are known as the like fractions. As we can see here, there are three fractions. One is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. In all these three fractions, the denominator is same. So these are considered as like fractions. And in case of unlike fractions, they will have the different denominator. As we can see here, the denominator is different. The numerator may be same, but the denominator is different. So these set of fractions is known as unlike fractions. Is that clear to you? Good. Let's move further. Now we have to compare like fractions. So suppose we have two or more like fractions. That means those fractions in which denominator is same, but we need to compare them. Compare them means we have to tell which is greater, which is smaller. So let's see. So here, this is a sign and we have to compare these two fractions. Okay. Now the fraction is not written. It's a figure. So we need to find the shaded fraction. And we know how to find the shaded fraction. We have already done video for that. If you have not seen it, you can go there and see it. I will put the link in the description box, right? Okay. So let's see the first fraction, first figure. Here we have 6 blocks, and out of 6 blocks 5 blocks are shaded, so the shaded fraction will be 5 by 6. In this, out of 6 blocks 4 blocks are shaded, so the shaded fraction is 4 by 6. So just by looking we can see that this part is more than that part, or so this fraction which is 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6. Okay, so the denominator is same. Because these are like fractions, we have to look for the numerator. Since 5 is greater than 4, so 5 by 6 will be greater than 4 by 6. Okay, so it's very simple as that. Just look at the numerator. The one which greater numerator will be the greater fraction. That's it. So one more example, but we need to find shaded fraction in that. So here, as we can see, there are 9 total. 9 blocks, and out of 9 blocks 5 are shaded. Shaded fraction is 5 by 9. In this figure there are 3 are shaded, so shaded fraction is 3 by 9. So which is greater? 5 by 9. Yes, 5 is greater than 3, so 5 by 9 will be greater than 3 by 9. Okay, that's great if you are liking the fraction. Let's move ahead. Okay, now we are again comparing those fractions. In the first one we can see there are 6 parts, and so the shaded fraction in the first will be 3 by 6. In the second it will be 5 by 6. Now 5 is greater than 3, so this fraction will be greater. Okay, this is very easy, but still let's do some more examples. So here we have 1 2 3 4 6 parts, and 4 are shaded out of 6, so shaded fraction is 4 by 6. In the 5 parts are shaded out of 6, shaded fraction is 5 by 6. So this fraction will be greater. Okay. Here we have 6 by 9. Oh, it's already given, so we don't need to just write the shaded fraction. So 6 by 9 and 8 by 9. So obviously 8 is greater than 6. So this part will be greater. Here 4 is greater than 3. So 4 by 8 is greater. Here 5 is greater than 4. So 5 by 6. Oh, this is wrong. Yeah, 5 by 6 will be greater. Okay. So this was all about comparing like fractions. In the next video, we'll be discussing adding and doing adding fractions, subtracting fraction that we can do in the next video. So till then, bye bye, take care, see you later.